If you want to disable automatic restrictions on Steam, follow these straightforward steps to ensure you can access your games without interruptions. Step 1. Open Steam. Launch the Steam application on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. In the top left corner of the Steam client, click on Steam and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open the Settings window where you can adjust various options. Step 3. Navigate to Account Settings. In the Settings window, click on the Account tab. Here, you will find options related to your account and its security settings. Step 4. Manage Restrictions. Look for options related to restrictions or account limitations. Depending on your account status, you may see options to disable or adjust automatic restrictions. Make the necessary changes to allow unrestricted access. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting the settings, make sure to click OK or Apply to save your changes. Restart Steam if necessary to ensure the new settings take effect. By following these steps, you should be able to disable automatic restrictions on your Steam account. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Steam's support page for further assistance.